Shulini TV. News from the campus.
Hello and welcome to the 76th edition of the weekly Shulini TV Bulletin. I am Shivani bringing you the latest news from Shulini University this week. First, the headlines. Shulini ranked among top 20 university in the country. Country's biggest quiz competition Q Curiosity came to an end. Poster making competition to be organized. 10 days of workshop on Sanskrit conversation held. Now news in details. Proud moment for Shulini University as it has been ranked among top 20 university across India. Arushi will share the details.
Shulini University has come out with flying colors in one of the world's leading higher education ranking agency, the QS Rankings, leaving behind several established universities like the Punjab University, Guru Nanak Dev University and the Himachal Pradesh University. The university has improved its overall Asia rankings from 291-300 last year to 271-280 this year. It is the only university in Himachal Pradesh to figure in the top 300 universities category. While retaining its top position for citation per publication in the country, the university jumped from 14th to joint 4th in Asia in the same category. Shulini University was ranked at 38th position last year and has improved its ranking to 35th this year. It is ranked at 20th among all universities in the country and ranked at 8th best private university of the country.
It surely is a big achievement for all of us to feel proud about. Moving ahead, Khushi will share the details about the grand finals of country's biggest quiz competition, Q Curiosity. Yes, Khushi.
The month-long international quiz competition Curiosity Quiz came to a close with a grand finale on Tuesday. The competition was jointly hosted by Ideas That Matter, Shulini's outreach team and Faculty of Management Sciences and Liberal Arts.
My name is Nitika. Myself Kashish.
My name is Lavanya.
Hello, I'm Manav Mahajan.
I'm Shubhra Sahu.
Hello everyone, this is Utpal Kumar.
is एक knowledge hub की तरह opportunity,
A source of learning.
Gaining knowledge and learning new things.
Quizzing is fun.
Testing my knowledge and at the same time expanding it.
Part of Curiosity 2021 is of course the hosts, the managing team, which were very supportive at every level.
हमें easily knowledge हम gain कर लेते हैं हम.
Winning the round so far, winning a round gives you this really exhilarating feeling that I can't really describe at the moment.
Even in these tough time of COVID pandemic, they are conducting the quiz very well.
The happiness of being able to participate at such an amazing event.
I really like the format of the quiz. It is very straightforward, and it is more knowledge centric rather than format centric.
Thank you, Shloni University, for giving me this glorious opportunity.
After one rapid fire and 5 rounds of tiebreakers, Shubhra from Indraprasth International School became the winner of the Curiosity 2021. Lavanya from Queens Valley School, Jinay from Lakshmipant Singhania School, and Rishi from St. Augustine's Day School became the runner-ups for the same. With over 500 schools and 35,000 participants, Curiosity Quiz became the largest international quiz competitions for school students in the country. Vice Chancellor Professor Atul Khosla acted as the quiz master for the finale and congratulated the winner and all the finalists for their performance.
Thanks, Khushi. Now Shubh will tell us about the upcoming poster making competition for all Shulnians. Go ahead, Shubh.
To mark the Ekta Divas, the university is organizing a hybrid poster making competition. The topics are inclusivity, women empowerment, climate change, and Swachh Sholini, Swachh Bharat.
This is me, I'm so royal, and you all wanna be round. Yeah, you all wanna be round. Round a champion, a champion. I got tons of soul.
The two top winners will be awarded cash prizes of Rs 3,000 and Rs 2,000 respectively. The last date to send entries is November 13. Participants can design a digital poster and upload it on a Google link shared in the groups. Those who are staying in or near university premises can make a handmade poster and submit it in the DSW office.
Get ready, Shulni, to show your winning spirit. Moving ahead, we have Rishabh telling us about a Sanskrit workshop conducted by School of Yoga.
The 10-day workshop on Sanskrit conversation was organized by the School of Yoga. The workshop was conducted in both online and offline. In all, total 82 participants participated in the workshop. The chief guest of the closing ceremony was Sri Narendra Prant, Sangathan Mantri of Sanskrit Bharati, Himachal Pradesh. The function was moderated by Assistant Professor Ms. Deepshika Thakur and Bhavna Bhatia.
Thanks, Rishabh. Now we have Arjuna giving us the detail about the upcoming Radio Shulni shows.
नमस्कार, मैं हाजिर हूं आपके लिए लेकर रेडियो शूलनी पर प्रसारित होने वाली इस सप्ताह के कार्यक्रमों की सूची के साथ। सबसे पहले हेल्दी बातें बाय आरजे कनुप्रिया, बधाइयों वायरल हुआ है बाय आरजे अदिति, फेक मत यार बाय आरजे खुशी। यह सभी कार्यक्रम माय शूलिनी ऐप पर उपलब्ध हैं, तो जल्दी जाकर सुने और लुत्फ उठाएं। तब तक के लिए इतना ही, धन्यवाद।
Before concluding, let's have a glimpse of Diwali celebration in the university. hope you all also had a great Diwali. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching. We shall bring you the next edition as per the schedule next Friday. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy.